$100. You know what I'm saying? For this little ass corn. And another thing, it's fucking like, it's really cold. Like, it just kills the whole mood of eating. You know what I'm saying? Like, fucking, like, really? You're gonna serve me fucking cold corn? Why would you serve cold corn? You know? Like, it's salty as shit, too. But, I don't know, I'll fuck it, you know? I gotta eat it. Oh yeah, I'm on my skateboard too, it's tight. Yeah, this is Congress Bridge. About to go with Lady Bird River. Or some shit like that, I don't know. Austin downtown. Tits. I'm like chilling downtown. Well, not really the downtown, but yeah, it's illegal. Look, he's doing something illegal. He's just cutting through the traffic. He's gonna get hit by a car. Look at that girl over there. Feels sexy. But look at that ass. Just chilling. That van's reversing. I swear to God, Austin drivers are the worst drivers in the fucking world, in the galaxy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know UFOs have crashed here, but I still think Austin drivers are like worse drivers than the fucking aliens. But look at the new building. Oh, new building. Why does it look like that? Hold on. Let's clean the lens. This is so bad, I'm like scratching it, but gotta get it clean. That better? Son. Look at that shine. Suppose this mama bird is like attacking all the guys. Oh shit! These birds are pissed off. Take a shot. I don't know, risk it. That's fucking crazy. First shot. I'm a bird. That bird came inches from my fucking face. That's a frost tower. It's one that looks like an owl in the corner. Old ladies. Like milfs. Choking. They're cougars, not milfs. I forgot. Cougars. But yeah, it was downtown Austin. Yeah, about to see the Capitol a little bit. Let me get there first. Weird ass shit that fucking drew on here. Oh man. Yeah, so good. From the Capitol. And then there's like a heart and a tree of hands. And then tomatoes. And I don't know what. And an ugly ass red. Feels like it says, I don't know, mirrors. Can't read cursive. Oh, look at this. The wizard. It's weird. Holy shit, he's blind. But he knows where he's going. It's so crazy. It's fake. He's a fraud. No, joking. Now I'm walking to the Capitol. So I gotta shit really bad. Joking, kinda, a little bit, I don't know. Trees! Trees, look at trees. Squirrels, there's a lot of squirrels here. And a lot of birds. Fuck birds. I almost got attacked by a fucking bird. That bitch, I think it was a fucking mom or dad. I think it was a mom. That bitch got so close to my face, it was fucking crazy. Like, whoa, bird, you know? Like, don't you have any respect for personal space? Like, shit. You know what I'm saying? What? I'll take this epic. Beep. No, get back on the vlog. Vlog. This. I'm in the elevator to the Capitol. Crazy elevator. Here we go. I'm going to the 4th floor. My skateboard, yeah, skateboard wheel. Holy shit, we're hauling ass. Oh some water. That echoes so loud. Oh shit. Fourth floor. Shit is crazy.